I am here working on my Kia Sportage and especially my sunroof because I have all this tree sap feel on the sunroof, which was on my hood of my car. And I was trying to think to myself, what should I use to help get it out? And I hadn't looked into this in a long time. Well, back in 2016, I purchased the Mother's Instant Detailer and their clay bars, and I had a brand new clay bar that was still sealed, and this stuff is awesome. And now my paint is silky smooth. In fact, I will show you here in a minute, but you could see it is sitting here on my sunroof. Now it's not moving at all, and I just finished this side, and you could see it is gliding right off. You could see it's just sitting there and not doing anything. So silky smooth. And now the hood of my car as well, it's nice and smooth. Now I just got to go over with some wax and I should be good to go. So if you are looking for something to get out that tree sap, the Mother's Instant Detailer with the clay bars is awesome and it works amazing. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm so glad I still had it because I can't believe I had it since 2016. There you go. Have a great day.